Welcome back to Big Sky Boosted, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to do things a little bit differently. I'm going to have a two-part video for you guys on our little journey on getting the correct motor in Damien's 97 Subaru Impreza. It's been a real headache sitting in that shop for the past 2 months, and we are super pumped, super excited to have finally gotten this out of there and cleaned up some room, freed up some space. And I just want to take a moment and thank my dad for letting us use his truck on this trip. He put the tarp down for protection, and we still ended up leaking coolant all over the bed of his truck. So yeah, duly sorry for that there, Pops, but I thank you again. Super blessed to have spent the time with him on this journey. We've put a lot of miles on this truck the past few months, and it's really done us well. So I'm glad I got the opportunity to do this. It was super fun. No, I'm not gonna lie. This place right here coming up, it's called Sanford's, and I would have got some good shots of the inside, but there is just so much going on. You gotta experience it for yourself. There is not a single exposed piece of the wall. Like, it is covered from ear to ear in nothing but. But without further ado, let's jump into part one. Let's go.
Well, today we get to work on the Wagon, man. Something I've been really down in the dumps about because I can't find a motor. But my homie Mike went and picked one up, and we're gonna be able to make some progress on this thing, which I am so pumped about. This right here is the new, quotation mark, new used motor. This came out of a 95 Impreza Wagon. I think it has around 160,000 miles. But it is a phase 1 motor. What I did is I pulled off the intake manifold, which is here, this guy, and we're gonna swap my original intake manifold on with all the injectors and the wiring and everything. I had to repaint a couple connectors for injectors, but we'll go ahead and get all this fed through here. Pull this guy out first, then put that one in, and then assemble everything from there too. So, yeah, at this point I am pretty much ready to pull this guy out. I don't even know where to start, to be honest. The difference with this motor too versus the original one is the one we're putting in is a twin port, where this is a single port. And the twin port is actually better. We need all new gaskets and everything, and I called Subaru on Monday to place an order for all the new gaskets and all that crap. But when I showed up today, the new guy apparently didn't place the effing order. So I had to have him overnight it, which should be here tomorrow. So we're gonna try and get as much done as we can, aside from all the gaskets, and go from there. If you want to do the honors?
I'll do the honors.
Big bow.
Freedom! Freedom! Now, this pilot bearing, you can't feel it, but you can almost hear it. It's
really
pretty,
close.
that's pretty trash.
What's the problemo here, Captain?
I think that this hole right here might need to be chased. It looks like there's a in there. This guy. Wait a second. Fucking hooked it up wrong, dude. Why did I flip it? Idiot!
What do you mean?
You can't put a motor in freaking nose forward. First time, guys, first time.
Ding ding. That's why we got little wheels here. Got wheels.
Of course.